about Zumba Toning. Zumba Toning actually tones your body, especially the arms and then the legs. Like me, I've had 3 pregnancies and it was so difficult for me to get rid of my pregnancy fat. But because of Zumba and Zumba Toning, I actually lost a lot of weight. I was able to tone my body and almost go back to my old athletic self.
Ever since, I felt lighter, and then the pain on the shoulders and in the on the knees lessened. I was able to move faster and enjoy the company of my kids who are so active.
I thought it was really hard, but then I can pala, and it made me more flexible now. Around 2 months ago, up to now, I lost 14 pounds. And now I'm more sports-minded and athletic.
I don't really lose weight when I step on the weighing scale. My weight gets plateaued, but by inches, I lose a lot. Now I'm size 6. I'm very proud. So, and my husband said I look more alive and energetic. I don't just sit on the couch and watch telenovelas anymore.
Achieve your fitness goals while having fun. Try out the Zumba Toning workout.
I would like to invite everyone to try Zumba Toning. If you've tried Zumba fitness, that's great. Zumba Toning, that's awesome. Because not only are you just doing cardio workouts, you're also actually working out your arms, your core, and your legs. So I would like to invite everyone to come and join me at Train Station Studio here at SM Hypermart Pasig for some Zumba Toning and meet all the gorgeous ladies here. So I'll see you here.
Discover dynamic workouts to keep you fit and always look your best. Stay tuned here on Sports 37.
We are the gorgeous ladies of Train Station Studio and we are the Zumba Toning crew. We are the Sports!